If you want to change your Apple ID name on iPhone, this quick guide will show you how to update your Apple account details, step by step. First, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap on your name at the top. Now tap on Personal Information, then select Name. Here you can edit your first and last name. Once done, tap the check mark to save your changes. Next, go back. You may also want to update your name in Payment and Shipping. Tap on it, verify with Face ID, then update your name in the shipping details. Another important place is your contact card. Open the phone app, tap on Contacts, then tap on My Card at the top. Tap Edit, and update your name there as well. All these changes are linked to your Apple ID, so keeping them updated ensures your correct name appears across services. So yeah, that's how you can change your Apple ID name on iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.